Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Please be seated.
Thank you, sir.
Maheshwari, are objectives and goals same thing or different thing?
Different thing, sir.
Okay. And why have you mentioned in your objective that your goal is to become associated with a company?
Sir, because I want, that is my short-term goal.
Okay. Okay. Hmm.
Sir, may I remove my mask?
Yes, please. What is the meaning of reputation?
Sir, reputation is what others think about ourselves as we represent. Like I wrote there, it is I will represent that company and I will enhance their reputation. So that is like I will be the representative which will enhance their company. So what others think when I will tell them, then that will be good only, as I will represent that.
Okay. So you have completed your 8th semester. Tell me 3 good things and 3 bad things about your college.
As they have first thing is like they have best lecturers which guide us, which help us and which motivate us. They motivate us a lot. And in our college we can there is a freedom to do like represent or do anything good for that college. Like we had uh, we in my college mechanical student made a car, a small car which was used in racing. And our college told them to take it to another level and go for racing tours and all. So we are free to do that there.
Okay.
And it has a like a good environment which help us to study there. And so I don't remember anything bad.
Okay. Tell me 2 things that you don't like about your parents.
They don't tell me my mistake,
Okay.
and they just leave that on me to improve, but they don't ask me or tell me my mistake where is the scope to improve. And second one,
That's it.
yeah.
Okay. Why do you think that you are a motivator?
So as I am resilient. I think no, I'm empathetic. So I am like I understand others' feeling, and I feel like I can give them nice advice, or I can talk to them and just motivate them.
Yeah, motivating is a different thing.
So by talking, we can
And giving advice is a different thing, isn't it?
yeah, but then we can talk to them and motivate them. Like we can tell them that we can advise them. We can ask them, but we can advise them to get motivated. Or like I tell them to they are depressed or something like that. So I just talk to them and they feel motivated through that.
Okay, and any past example of you being very persistent?
So in our field, as we are web developers, and we are like we have coding in our programming thing. So there is many times we get like many errors, and we have to be persistent to sort that. So I do persistence.
So in past, were you able to use this skill? And if yes, when was it?
So when we like our Prashant sir gave us a project. So when we were doing that, we got lot many errors as we were doing that for first time. So, but we did it.
Okay.
So I feel that is thing.
Okay. Great. Thank you. All the best.
Thank you, sir.